Today we're going to focus on HTML attributes. We've actually seen HTML attributes before last week, and today we're going to go a little bit more in depth about what they are. Before we do that though, let's review some of the key parts of HTML that we already know. Specifically, we know that there is the start tag, and that there is the closing tag, and then there's the content that goes between the start tag and the closing tag. The content that goes between the start tag and the closing tag is what actually shows up on the page right here. Sometimes with HTML, however, we want to actually provide additional information for our HTML elements. For example, in this anchor tag example, we want this HTML element to link us to w3schools.com, so then we use this href attribute in order to tell our HTML element to do that. So again, attributes in HTML usually allows us to provide additional information for our HTML elements that might not necessarily actually show up visibly on the website. So to go further in depth into this href attribute, we can see that the name of the attribute is, again, like I just said, href, and the value of this href attribute is www.w3schools.com. And so when I click on here, it links us to w3schools.com. So as a recap, the format of attributes is usually the name and then an equal sign and then the value of that attribute. And also as a recap, what attributes do is it gives HTML elements additional information. So again, href is one of the attributes that we've seen up to this point. Can you think of any other attributes that we've seen last week?